last time I made a video it was really shaky, so I'm trying to figure that out with this camera. This is Banana Bay where we're staying, and right across the street is the Home Depot. So I'm walking down to the bike shop to see if my bike's ready. So this is interesting. You can park your bicycle here and put it inside of here with a lock. Well, you get on the bus here and the bus will take you somewhere in the Keys. So here's my destination. The bike works. Hopefully it's ready. Well, they didn't get a chance to look at it. He said there's about 8 bikes before me, so we'll just wait. Manatees and great white sharks. Overseas liquors. So you too can drink where the famous have drunk. So I'm guessing that's Hemingway, and that's Jimmy Buffett, FDR, Capone, and looks like Henry Flagler. I didn't know Henry Flagler drank here. This is a popular place, the Keys Steak and Lobster House. A lot of people eat here. This is an interesting place. You can get pizza, live bait, and sushi all in the same place. You can get your propane tanks filled close to the marina. 1941 Chevy 2-door sedan for sale. It's got a 2001 Chevy 4.3 liter fuel injected AC sound system. This is where we turn to get into the marina. So this is where you come into the pool, but it's been closed for repair. Let's see if it's open. It sure looks nice. I don't know what the water temperature is though. Besides the pool, they have giant chessboard. And over there is Agape. This is looking north. So here's our slip and ducks. There's our guard dog. There's our guard dog. So this is looking north, and it is windy coming straight in.